全球拢因为川普的关税政策，物价一粒头两粒大。美国的晶片大厂超微的执行长苏姿丰今仔是受邀请伫台的演讲，早伊嘛先去先伫拜访台积电等合作伙伴，嘛宣布讲超微头一款2奈米的晶片已经会当量产咯，嘛是台积电头一个生产2奈米晶片的客户。
Thank you. How is everyone this morning?
美国晶片大厂超微 AMD 董事长和执行长苏姿丰最近是搁一摆访台。4月15第一站的公开活动，苏姿丰是受到台大学校的邀请，以 AMD 转型做 AI 领袖做主题来演讲。
Choosing a project or a problem or a company where you can make a big impact, you will learn so much and be able to contribute so much. And I can say for sure that I learned the most from the biggest mistakes I made. So mistakes are not a bad thing.
苏姿丰和台大的校长陈文忠是以对谈的形式来勉励少年囡仔，嘛讲做学校捌真侪摆甲邀請是真有诚意。对谈内面，蘇姿豐佫講到台積電引起關注。
Our focus was really on 3 things. First is high performance computing. The second is to have really excellent partnerships. So TSMC is at the center of our partnership overall.
因为美国总统川普的关税政策，半导体产业受到偌大的影响，同款受到关注。蘇姿豐佫伫咧會前受訪的時陣講，就伫咧前一日已經去新竹來造訪包括台積電在內的合作伙伴，而且宣布 AMD 已經伫咧台積電亞利桑那州廠來投片，其中就包括2奈米的高階製程
，including our first 2 nanometer chip. Our next generation server processor, Venice, has been very successful, so we wanted to thank CC and his team for that. And we also have our first product in the Arizona site. Our new 5th generation EPIC is also doing very well.
不過對關稅影響，蘇姿豐今日強調講，會和關係正密的伙伴來做伙解決問題。另外，15暗時，蘇姿豐嘛會請旗下客戶和供應鏈的伙伴食飯，持續佈局產業的後一步。公司新聞綜合報道。